YouTube, what's good? It's Chuka the Barber. I'm here with another video. Today we're gonna do a fade on some curls. We're gonna like a little mini afro type thing. So we're gonna get right into it. But before I do, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm here every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, dropping right here on my channel. I appreciate y'all that been showing love. We're gonna keep it going. All right, so right here, I'm a shampoo and conditioner here with the Pro Rich shampoo and conditioner. We're gonna hit it with the shampoo, wash that out, hit it with the conditioner, then wash that out. Want to make sure to let it sit in there a little bit though. I'm gonna let the conditioner sit in there a little bit to soften up his hair. Let it sink down into his scalp so my man's hair is nice and soft and refreshed before we get into the cut. Keep my canvas clean and ready. Dry it off and we'll take him back to the station. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shape his hair. I combed it out a little bit, so we're gonna just give it a quick little shape before we get into it, especially on the sides. I wanna make sure that I can gauge my fade. I got an idea of my sculpture, the outline of it, so I could fade accordingly, all right? See that freehand work? You know, you can see right there in the front where I was using his head as a, using the angle of his head and going right off that and using as like a guide to shape the hair. And I think that's a great way to go about it because of course you want the hair, like doing this little mini afro, you want it to follow the shape of his head as much as possible. That's gonna be the best look. All right, the trimmers I'm using today are the Andes T outliners, all right? We're gonna put in my first guideline. We're gonna keep it low because you can see that the distance between his crown area and, you know, the top of his ear, it's pretty compressed. It's not that long. So, you know, I want to make sure that I keep this fade kind of low. I want to keep it, you know, a little dark as we get up. I like the way it kind of has the like curls around the crown area, so we're not going to go too high. We're going to make sure we got plenty of room to get the blend right and tight. We'll get that guideline in there. Then we'll use the Andes Masters to trim down the front of the hairline slightly, giving me the ability to line them up, give them a nice line up using the combing technique. This is a reverse combing technique. I use the blade as a comb, pulling down the hair and trimming it at the same time. Then I'm going to apply some Enhanced Hold Spray, let that dry. Then we'll follow up with the lineup. Hit that corner. Hit that C-cup area. We're at the Rich Barber Hair Studio in West Hollywood. This location is on Beverly Boulevard. It's near the Beverly Center in West Hollywood. You can pull up, get fresh whenever you're in town, or if you live in town, make sure to come see us. Also got 2 locations in Sacramento, California, right there on J Street, 25th and J. You can pull up there and also get fresh. I like to start my lineups from the corners or like mid-corner, mostly mid-corner, then bring it over to the center, bring it all over to the corner, you know, hit the side, then hit the C-cup, do the same thing on the other side. Then we're gonna begin to fade. All right, so I'm gonna take my Andes Masters, start with the lever closed and just start blending my way up. Gotta make sure I fully remove that original guideline. And it seems like it's doing it automatically without me having to follow up with my trimmer. So then we're gonna just adjust the clipper lever slightly and take it up some more, create a new guideline, remove the previous guideline, then we're gonna do it again. Making sure the blend is happening the way I want it to happen. Opening up the lever all the way. Then we'll throw on a 1/16 guard, open up the lever all the way, take the blend up some more, then I'll blend downwards, connecting that with the blend that I did with no guard on the clipper. We're just gonna watch the fade come together doing this. Bring the lever in slightly, or about halfway, blend that out, do it again, blend that out, then take the 1/8 guard, lever all the way open, bring that fade up some more. I'm gonna make sure I keep the shape, you know. I don't really wanna bring this too high with this 1/8 guard because I don't want the, you know, mini fro to start dipping in. And a good way to really, you know, see where you need to, how high you need to take it is to kind of look at it from the front and just, you know, make sure that you're getting like a proper, clean shape. And it's not like, you know, overly thick on the sides, popping out some. The more you can get this transition to be clean, consistent, and in line with like the shape of his head, just the better the cut's gonna look overall, and the better it's gonna look on the client, just overall. Like one thing with cutting hair is like, I guess you could say there's a difference between a good haircut and a good look and a good haircut, right? You wanna do both. You wanna have a good haircut, but you want the look to fit the client. So you want the good look on the client, and you want the good haircut to, of course, to complement that. But if you do a good haircut, but it's not a good look on the client, you know what I mean? He's not gonna get the same feeling that he would get. You know, he's not gonna get that ultimate experience, that ultimate feeling that, you know, really separates you from the rest. So if you can do both, I mean, if you can look at a client, look at his head shape, look at kind of just his overall, you know, image or, you know, style, and bring that together in the haircut, like, it's just gonna do so much more than just having a nice blend, clean haircut, but it's not a good look for him. Make sure it's connected in the back, the transition is clean and consistent in the back. And once we get that blend done, we'll do cleanup work. You know, make sure that our blend is consistent, clean, all dark spots are removed, and it's looking the way we want it to look. Once that's done, we'll follow up with the razor. And I'm gonna take some product, apply that to his hair, soften it up a little bit more, give it a little, you know, shine to it, give it a curl product. Hit it with the curl twist sponge or twist racket. I'm gonna take the Rich Barber Enhanced Pro Barber Kit 2, and we're gonna take the fibers with the pump, application pump, and the application car. We're gonna apply some fibers to the hairline, fill in the light spots around the hairline, doing it lightly, making sure it still look natural. Now, when making it look natural, that doesn't mean, you know, enhancing the hair with some fibers or any enhancements doesn't mean it has to be like fully like blackened out, you know, around the hairline. I think just adding that fullness look, but it doesn't need to be like fully blackened out. That way it looks more natural. It doesn't look like a cartoon, you know what I mean? Now we're gonna apply the whole spray across the hairline, follow up with the lineup. This allows me to get it sharp, clean up the fibers. Now that's the final look. Mid-low fade, mini afro on top, curled up with the curl twist, enhanced with the hair fibers, and voila. I'm Chuka the Barber, I'm out. Catch me every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday right here on my channel. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Till next time, peace. YouTube, what's good? It's Chuka the Barber here. I want to thank y'all for helping me hit 200,000 subscribers. I couldn't have done it without y'all. We're going to keep it popping, all right? So like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Help me hit that 300K, all right? I'm here giving y'all good game knowledge and information 3 times a week. I'm out. Peace.